Hi Holly, this is Sarah reaching out to you from Top Marketing Co. We spoke earlier today and I want to reach out to you and send you these 3 quick tips you can start using today to outrank your competition in the area. I don't like to waste time, so if by the end of this short video you feel like the information I shared can help increase traffic to your website and grow your business, then I would love to chat. If not, please feel free to start using this information as you see fit. All I ask is that you give me a little bit of feedback at the end of this video if you don't mind. So I'm going to be talking about 3 quick things here today: content, citations, and backlinks. All right, so content is any words on the first page, any pictures, what's behind your pictures, and even what your pictures are saved as is included in the content. It's very important that we make sure we're saving our pictures under keywords our consumers are searching for on Google. We also want to make sure we have at least 1,500 words of content on the first page. I know this may seem a little wordy, but this is going to allow us to work in the appropriate amount of keywords and phrases we need in order to start ranking on those top pages of Google. Now that is content. Next, we have citations. And a citation is any business directory online where your address is registered and can be found by a consumer. So for example, Google, Yahoo, YouTube, Facebook, any of these websites where your address is registered is considered a citation. And citations help us by being able to rank for what is called the map pack on the first page of Google for any of the keywords our consumers are searching for. Obviously, the top 3 businesses in these positions are going to have increased traffic to their sites. Now, how do we get here? We actually have a tool to see how many citations we have compared to our competition. So the name of the game is not only just coming in here and matching what our competition is doing in regards to their citations, we actually want to come in and get more citations than our competition, and we want to make sure that our Google My Business listing is optimized correctly so we can start outranking them and taking their traffic. That is citations. And thirdly, we have backlinks. And backlinks are the holy grail of how we get organic traffic to our site. A backlink essentially is when another net website is linking back to our website, and what this does is it gives us relevance, power, and authority in Google's eyes so we can begin ranking organically on these pages. We have a tool to see how we stack up against our competition as well. All we do is plug in our information right here, and we can see we have 18 referring domains, 41 backlinks, we're being found for 186 keywords, we're running 8 paid ads, bringing us roughly 412 organic visitors every month. Now, if you take a look at one of our top competitors in the area, we can see they have 77 referring domains, 258 backlinks. They're being found for 1,400 keywords, bringing them roughly 3,900 organic visitors. And this is where we eventually want to be. Have the bulk of our traffic coming in organically, and ads just supplement to what we are doing. Now we can accomplish this with this tool exactly like the citations. Come in here and match exactly what our competition is doing in regards to their backlinks, and then go and get more authoritative, more relevant, and more powerful backlinks to our website and start outranking them and taking their traffic. Now I have to ask you, if you had roughly 3,900 organic visitors coming to your site every month, what do you think that would do for your business? Now, with that, I hope this helps you. I hope this opens up what opportunities are available. And if you feel like me and my team can help you get there, then I would love to have a chat with you. I'll leave my info in the description, but I can also be reached directly at 312-375-1110. I hope you have a great day and speak to you soon. Thank you.